Hello, Twitter. Hello, YouTube. Happy Monday morning. My name's Max. Thanks for joining the channel. Today's going to be the pre-market update on ULTY, ULTI, Blox, and K-Yield. Looks like crypto, Bitcoin sold off overnight again. Bitcoin, Ether, everything is down 4% at this point. Some kind of liquidation event hit it last night. We were even down worse. We hit 84,000 about an hour ago. Man, the last low was at 80,000, so it could make a higher low here. That'd be nice. Anyway, let's look at these ETFs. Now, it's a good thing old ULTY decryptoified, or whatever you want to say. ULTY doesn't have any crypto exposure in their portfolio anymore. Not any direct exposure, not that I see. I guess Hood, Coinbase. Okay, they have a few. Hood and Coinbase. All right. Well, all right. Let's go see if those are down pre-market. I would guess that they are. Yeah, Hood's down 3.5%. Coinbase is down nearly 4%. Well, that's ugly. All right. Well, ULTI, they just added Cypher the other day, 5% of the portfolio. Good job, guys. I'm just joking, Matt, if you're watching. I mean, these guys can't predict the future, but they actually bought crypto the other day. They have Cypher, Coinbase, MicroStrategies. We've already checked Coinbase. Let's check Cypher. Cypher is getting nailed for 6.25, down 6.25 right there. Wow. In the pre-market, it's going to open right about here. A little under 19. Coinbase MicroStrategies. Oh, geez. Come on, MicroStrategies. 4.71%. MicroStrategies is almost opening on a new low. Darn it. All right. Well, anyway, that's ULTI from Rex. I mean, these guys can't predict the future. K-Yield. All right. So K-Yield, this one, let's see what kind of exposure it has to crypto. It has some mining, some tech. I bet App Lovin's getting hit for some reason. I don't know why. I could be wrong. App Lovin's down 1.5%. What else is probably getting hit on this one? I wonder if something like AMD's down. It's down 1.7. It's going to be kind of a rough open, it looks like. Let's look at S&P futures. S&P futures are down 2/3 of a point about. Let's check out the SPY and see what kind of. The SPY's down 0.5 point. It's on a chart basis. It's going to open right about here, right under this descending trend line. Right about there. So there is going to be a morning gap down. We had a bullish gap right here, this blue spot on the chart. All right. Anyway, back to the divas. Blox. When I had a long show, 30-minute show Friday night or maybe Saturday morning, where I spoke about all the option positions and went in depth. I'm just going to do a pre-market show and see what's moving pre-market every day also. All right. So this one right here, Blox is Blox is chock full of crypto. Let's just look at Blox and see what it's trading down in the pre-market. It's down 5% right now in the pre-market. I guess we could have done that same thing for ULTY. ULTY is down 2.8. Of course, they had a split this morning. Yes, adjust drawings, right? Yeah, adjust drawings, of course. ULTI. ULTI is actually showing up 1.1 in the pre-market. What does ULTI have in it that the others don't? Anyway, let's check K yield also. K yield is showing up a little bit in the pre-market. What does ULTY have? Because they have some stuff that was getting hit. They just added stuff the other day. They just added Cipher Core-based MicroStrategies. All those are getting hit. They also have US Rare Earth. Maybe that one's up big. Cipher, Iron, Credo, TerraWolf. I mean, I can't really see what they would have that'd be up big today. Symbotic, there is something that's moving, but it's something that sounds like Symbotic, but it's not Symbotic, but I saw it on CNBC a second ago. I don't think it's any of these that any of these had. Let's just check US Rare Earth. Is that one moving? Maybe it's a new position. No, it's down. Symbotic. It's down. I'm not believing that pre-market quote. I think there's no way ULTI opens up when the market actually opens up here in 11 minutes. All right, guys, remember this is not financial advice. Consult your own financial planner. And don't forget, you can always support the station at paypal.me/maxconvexity. I'll be back with the same show tomorrow morning. All right, guys, we'll see what happens today. Looks like it might be ugly in the morning. Hopefully the dip will be bought. I'll talk to you soon.